Vitamins and minerals, intelligent nutrients. Vitamins and minerals, trace elements, are very important. Nutrients, which are required by the body, brain and minute. Quantities at a time and aid in the many physiological processes within the human body, brain. It is very important to note that the deficiency of one or several of these essential nutrients can affect your thinking, efficiency and memory drastically. Vitamin-rich foods such as whole meat products, fresh fruit and vegetables, meat and fish, milk and soy products, nuts and fresh herbs contain everything needed by the human body. The proper supply of vitamins and minerals, however, is often not guaranteed these days through imbalanced food intake. Due to incorrect diet, severe stress at work or in the home, high physical stress or dieting. Fundamentally, it can be said that the more stressful the environment, the more difficult it is to obtain the proper supply of vitamins and minerals. For this reason, it is very necessary to obtain a balanced mixture of vitamins from dietary supplements. The intellectual and physical development of children could be predicated with a high degree of accuracy on the basis of their nutritional status during the preschool years. Every one of the 50 known essential nutrients, with the exception of vitamins D, has a role to play in promoting brain function. In highly stressed individuals, an extra supply of vitamin A is essential for recovery to normal. The B-complex group of vitamins is one of the most vital groups of vitamins for mental health. Reason: the B vitamins ensure an efficient transportation of oxygen inside the brain and body cells. Deficiency of one of the 8 B vitamins will rapidly affect how you think and feel. Reason: this is because the brain uses a large amount of these nutrients. Important note: the B vitamins are water-soluble and rapidly pass out of the body, so we need a regular intake throughout the day. An excellent source of vitamin B complex includes a combination of brewer's yeast and desiccated liver. B vitamins combine with choline to increase the production of acetylcholine, ACH, neurotransmitters in the brain. Important note: without B complex, carbohydrates and foods cannot be utilized to produce useful energy for the nerve cells. Vitamin B1, thiamine. This helps to upgrade the memory by several of its roles in the brain. It controls translating glucose into energy in the brain and nervous system. Thiamine helps to synthesize fatty acids, a very essential brain nutrient in the nerve cells. It also helps to synthesize acetylcholine, ACH, a very important neurotransmitter in the brain. Important note: vitamin B1, thiamine, becomes more effective in memory enhancement when taken with choline. Choline, the precursor to the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, is derived mainly from lecithin, which is, in turn, derived from soy or egg yolks. Other sources are wheat germ, brewer's yeast, peanuts, and meat. Sufficient intake of vitamin B1 ensures that many other brain foods are digested and absorbed. Thiamine is also part of the various enzymes which aid carbohydrate metabolism. About 2 milligrams of vitamin B1 taken daily for some week can produce a remarkable important in brain activity. The best sources of vitamin B1 are mackerel, salmon, egg yolk, liver, and walnuts. Vitamin B1, thiamine, supplementation research has shown that taking low-potency vitamin B1 tablet with meal for a short period of time, such as between 6 days to 9 days, can be very helpful for efficient brain activity. Note, however, it is best to take individual B vitamin fractions, such as vitamin B1, with the entire vitamin B complex. Daily requirement: 2 mg of vitamin B1 daily is very useful. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B3 has a tremendous influence on memory and thinking ability. It does this by dilating the brain arteries and capillaries, thereby allowing greater entry of oxygen-carrying blood. However, it is advisable to take niacin with a B complex supplement containing between 50 to 100 milligrams of the major family members. In addition to widening arteries, niacin helps to enhance brain function by being an important part of a coenzyme called NAD, which helps to energize the brain. An insufficient supply of niacin makes NAD incomplete, so there is a slowdown on the metabolic reaction and interrupts the energy supply for the brain cells. It is important to note that the side effect of niacin includes flush, itching or prickly skin for a few minutes. Also, sustained release of niacin causes some liver damage, so it has to be used with some measure of caution, preferably under the supervision of a knowledgeable health professional. As said before, it is important to combine niacin intake with the major B complex family in order to increase the rate of brain metabolism, i.e. the rate at which the brain makes use of oxygen and nutrients. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5 combines with choline to increase the formation of neurotransmitter acetylcholine, ACH, useful for enhancing memory. It helps in processes that release energy in the brain for increased mental activity. The best food and supplement sources of vitamin B5 are royal jelly, whole brown rice, corn, egg yolk, peas, sunflower seeds, lentils, eggs, bee pollen, wheat germ and whole wheat. Pantothenic acid is necessary as an enzyme component to synthesize fatty acids and in metabolism of fat, carbohydrates and amino acids, which are very vital to increase brain activity. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is important in brain function as it is essential for the manufacture of neurotransmitters. It is also necessary for the conversion of amino acids into serotonin and takes part in the formation of hemoglobin. A deficiency in this important neurotransmitter can cause depression and other problems. Reason: this is because a deficiency of vitamin B6 and zinc cause dendrites to shrivel and die. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. This vitamin helps in protein and fat metabolism. Note, of all the B vitamins, this is best known for enhancing memory. It is very important for the health of the nerve cells, so it accelerates the rate of learning. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can invite an array of mental and emotional problems such as memory loss, difficulty in thinking, hallucination, depression, and confusion. The best dietary sources of vitamin B12 are eggs, legumes, organ meat, cheese, liver, fish, and shellfish. However, vitamin B12 is sufficient to get absorbed by the body unless the stomach secretes enough intrinsic factor to make the process easier. It is noteworthy that the richest sources of vitamin B12 are liver, kidney, fish, eggs and beef, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. At this point, it is very important to note that fish is very important for the health of the brain. The best sources of vitamin B12 include royal jelly, peanuts, wheat germ, brewer's yeast, and desiccated liver. Daily requirement: it is advisable to take between 50 mg to 100 mg of vitamin B complex daily on a regular basis. Note: fish is regarded as one of the most important brain food, as it contains almost all the nutrients essential for healthy brain activity. It contains vitamin B12, B1, phospholipids, choline, DMAE, methionine, iron, called heme, and essential fatty acids, omega-3 fats, DHA and EPA. Vitamin C and E, antioxidants. Your brain and nervous system are made up of protein, phospholipids and essential fats, all of which can be damaged by oxidants, the body's own nuclear waste. The brain being more than half fat becomes easily oxidized. Sources of oxidants: the three factors which introduce these oxidants into the body are fried food, smoking, and pollution. These oxidants now cause a chain reaction of damage to the essential fats attached to the phospholipids in the nerve cell membranes. Free radicals are byproducts of normal oxygen metabolism in the body, and these wreak havoc on other cells, resulting in disease and aging. Antioxidants help absorb free radicals, protecting us from the harm they cause. We have several antioxidants, but the most popular are vitamins A, C and E. There is no organ or area of the body that contains more unsaturated fats than the CNS. This makes the CNS a prime target for attack by free radicals. So vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant, serves as a free radical fighter in the CNS. The human body has a natural pump which draws vitamin C out of the blood circulation and highly concentrates it in the spinal fluid. A second pump draws vitamin C out of the spinal cord and concentrates it to surround and bathe the spinal cord, nerves, cells and the brain with a total concentration much greater than in all other body fluids. Several researches have shown that vitamin C can indeed boost an individual's mental performance. Without any doubt, vitamin C ensures a better brain health and thinking ability. Additional function of vitamin C: it is also very important to note that apart from ensuring a better brain health, vitamin C, if taken several times daily and consistently for a prolonged period of time, help to strengthen the walls of the blood vessels, thereby correcting any signs of arteriosclerosis. This eventually ensures that there is a powerful blood flow reaching all areas of the body and brain. Daily requirement: it is advisable to take at least 500 mg of vitamin C after each meal, and if possible 3 times daily. Very good sources of vitamin C are orange or mango juice and fresh fruits generally. Important note: vitamin E, which is also a very powerful antioxidant, helps to process unsaturated fatty acids important to brain health and activity. The presence of any cardiovascular disease will definitely result in hardening and blockage in arteries, which supply key nutrients to the brain. In conditions like these, the absence of a good supply of Antioxidants such as vitamin C and E will result in the brain cells being completely damaged by free radicals. Sources of vitamin C and E. Vitamin E is abundant in wheat germ, seeds, nuts, fish, and beans. Vitamin C is abundant in fresh fruits, tomatoes, berries, and peppers. Researchers have also shown that a higher percentage of antioxidants in the blood is associated with better memory. Performance. Vitamin E is the most important of the fat-based antioxidants since it prevents chain reactions of damage caused when oxidants enter the brain.
Now, if you have found this video useful, please click on the like button. Also, subscribe so as to get more useful videos that could help you in your mental health care. Finally, place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.